What's up and welcome to Rayman Can. Today I want to show you how to replace windshield wipers. There is not just one way to do this. There are multiple ways because there are different type of ways that windshield wipers attach to the arm. But in our case today, we have the hook style because we are working with a 2016 Nissan Murano. So let's get started. By the way, you may be wondering, how do I know if I have bad windshield wipers? Well, there's a couple things to look out for, a few things I should say. They could be making a loud noise as they're going across your windshield. They may be leaving streaks, or if you just look at the windshield wipers themselves, they may be in a slightly bent position. In our case, they're just leaving streaks, as you can see right here, making visibility not that good. So let's get started for the second time. Step number one, figure out what size windshield wiper blades you need. In this day and age, that's very easy. You can pretty much walk into any auto parts store, give them the make and model of your vehicle. They will give you the correct size blades that you need. In our case, we got these off of Amazon. Put in the make and model. It gave me plenty of options of different brands of blades to choose from. You can also do this the old-fashioned way where you simply get a measuring tape, measure the left and right side windshield wiper blade because typically they're two different sizes, and then go into the auto parts store and tell them you need a 26-inch and an 18-inch, for example. In our case, we're actually using a 26 and an 18-inch blade set. So first thing we're going to do is remove the protective plastic off of the new blades. Next up, lift up the wiper arm. Preferably use a flathead screwdriver to open up this clip. This particular vehicle, we have the hook-shaped wiper blade arm. Simply slide the old wiper blade downward to take it off. From there, take the new blade, squeeze its plastic sides together to open up the housing. Once we have it open, we're going to flip it around because I have it facing the wrong way. Put the hook-shaped metal arm through the plastic housing, just like this. We're going to slide it right onto the round-shaped plastic piece on the new wiper blade, just like this. Just to make sure I'm being clear, slide this onto this. From there, go ahead and close this piece up, and you are all set. Do the same for the other side. Take a look at these new blades. They no longer leave a streak, and they get the job done effectively. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you know anyone that could use this information, please share this video with them. For the particular blades that I used in this video, I will put a link in the description. Take care, subscribe, like, comment, all of that. And thanks for watching.